Okay, here the problem you have the function f is defined by fx is equals to minus 2x square minus 8x minus 13. For x less than minus 3, express fx in the form of minus 2x plus a the whole square plus b where a, b are the integers. Okay, so what you have to do simply, this is a quadratic function, you have to express in this particular form. So here minus 2, okay, what we do, this minus 2 I will take common. First let us write this whole expression minus 8x square minus 2x square minus 8x minus 13. Okay, then minus 2 we will take common, so it will be x square. This minus will become plus 4x, and I will close here, and this minus 13 I will write separately. Then minus 2, this x square plus 4x I have. Then I will add square of half of this coefficient of x, which is again 4. I will subtract 4. This minus 13 I will write here. Now these three terms will be a perfect square. So this is equals to minus 2. Now this I will write x plus 2 the whole square, and this minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 4. I will write that separately, plus 4 minus 13. Okay, so this is minus 2 x plus 2 the whole square. 4 minus 13 is what? 13 minus 4, it's a minus 9. Okay, so this is, we write fx as minus 2 x plus a the whole square plus b, where a and b are the integers, right? Okay, now next part of the problem is, so here in next part you have to find range range of the function. Now what you understand by range of the function? Range of the function means your function fx, what different values that fx can take, right? After using different values of x, what fx can have. uh wait for a minute. Here I should add 8 na. Here it should be plus 8, so 8 minus 13, I should get 5, so minus 5, sorry. Yeah, so it is minus 5. Now here to find range of the function, your fx, you can write again your function fx. Your function fx is minus 2 x plus 2 the whole square minus 5. Now this square term can always take the positive value. Okay, this positive value when multiplied by minus 2, I will get a negative value. So the smallest negative value I will get when this x plus 2 will become 0. Okay, so when x plus 2 will become 0, I have fx as minus 5. So I will say that range. So minus 5 is the maximum value that I have. So I will say that the range is less than or equal to minus 5. Okay, I can have all negative values possible, and the maximum negative value that is possible to me is minus 5. Okay, now but if you look at the question, here in the problem it is mentioned that x is less than minus 3. So as x is less than minus 3, x cannot take a value which is more than minus 3. So I cannot take minus 2. Okay, I cannot make this 0. So if I take minus 3, okay, minus 3 plus 2, it will become minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So here it is not minus 5, it should be minus 7. So your range is less than or equal to minus 7. Okay. So you say that less than or equal to -7, or you can also write this as this we can write as range, and here it will be from -infinity up to -7, and I will use this bracket. Okay, fine. So this is B part. Now next part of the problem, C part I will say. C part of the problem is that find the expression for F inverse fx. So for F inverse fx, we can again start with what we have fx, and we will write the simplified form. So here fx, we have fx is equals to -2 x plus 2 the whole square minus 5. Okay, then this fx I will replace with y. So I will say that y is equals to -2 x plus 2 the whole square minus 5. I have to express x in terms of y. So this -5 I will bring on the left side. So it will be y plus 5 is equals to, here it is -2 x plus 2 the whole square. So therefore x plus 2, I can say that x plus 2 square. First let us say x plus 2 square. This is going to be minus y plus 4 divided by 2. And therefore I will say that this x plus 2 is equals to plus or minus root of minus y plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, one thing you must note here that your y value is less than or equal to -7. As we solved here, the y value, your range is always less than -7. So here the value of y which we get is less than -7. This is y plus 5, not 4. This is y plus 5. Okay. So as I take value of y as -7, the maximum value. So -7 plus 5 is -2, -2 upon 2 is -1 multiplied by -1 is +1. So in square root I am getting +1. So therefore finally the value of x, what we can say that the value of x is -2 plus or minus root of this minus y plus 5 whole divided by 2. Okay. Now this x is nothing but it is f inverse y. This is nothing but f inverse y, right? So here one thing I have to make clear, that can I take both positive or negative sign, or only negative sign or positive sign? Yes. So if I see my domain for the function was all real domain here for function. Let us discuss here. Okay, for function fx. Okay, domain was x less than -3, and range was x less than -7. It's x less than -7 or x less than or equal to -7. What is it? X less than -7, because here the value of x is less than 3. So I will not use this equal sign. Equal sign will make my problem incorrect. I will say that here it is y less than -7. Okay. So the range is, yeah, the range, for range we will use, okay, we will use this open bracket, not close bracket. We will use this bracket. Okay. So range is less than -7, right? So here your range, you can see your range is -7 and your domain is less than -3. So when we write the inverse function, that inverse function is only applicable when your x value is negative, and in negative also it is less than -3 only. Okay. So as x value is less than -3, it will be, I have the x will be equal to -2 minus root of minus y plus 5 divided by 2. So this is your f inverse y, which is -2 minus root of minus y plus 5 divided by 2. So therefore f inverse of x will be -2 minus root of minus x plus 5 whole divided by 2. Okay. So this is your f inverse x, right? So this is what we get f inverse x. Thank you.